have Jeff Stehney from Joe's Kansas City Barbecue. Give him a huge round of applause for sharing our stage.
And we start with a pork belly. We decided because we're in a vending situation, we have to have a pretty quick turnaround. We cut the belly into about 2-inch sections. We're gonna get more seasoning to it, and it's gonna cook faster. We cut this whole belly into strips, and we're gonna take, this is actually a very specific pork belly seasoning that we had made for us. Everything we use in the restaurant, all of our pork butts are from Prairie Fest. They're a big sponsor here.
You season those up like that, Jeff? You let them sit at room temperature, and you throw them right on the smoker, you let them go?
I always like to there's a lot of salt and sugar in here, and that it sort of wants to act like the salts are gonna melt the sugar. Ideally, I would wanna get this seasoned and maybe let it sit on the counter indoors for maybe an hour. We're gonna throw these on the smoker. So what we've got is we've got our Green Mountain Grill pellet smoker, and we're gonna throw them on a 250-degree pellet smoker because we created a very specific, we call it a competition glaze, is what you're gonna eat today, which is our traditional sauce, but we put a ton of extra sugar, a lot of extra vinegar in it. We're gonna smoke those for 2 hours, but we wanna pull them out of that smoker when they reach an internal temperature of about 165 degrees. Then we're gonna put them back in a foil pan, and you're gonna put a lid on it, put about a cup of water for every 2 or 3 pounds of meat you've got. Then we wanna cook it about 1 hour until it gets to 185 degrees. Then you're gonna drain off the water and the grease. They're gonna look like this. They don't look horribly appealing right there. We've got our trusty cast iron skillet here. You can do this on the stove, about a minute per side in 325 to 350 degree oil. We just want to let them get crispy. Then we're going to re-season them, chop them up, and go.
Look at that, guys. Absolutely. Let's give Jeff a huge round of applause. Joe's Kansas City out there.